Hi, this is Fizzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Discover how to manage message requests on Instagram and control who can add you to group chat. Take control of your TM interaction without blocking contact. You can follow in this video how to allow all of the message requests from everyone on Instagram. It's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your settings by tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down, you can go to messages and story replies. You can just tap on that. And you'll find there is an option message request. You can just tap on that. By default, actually, your message request is enabled as allow for everyone, for your followers on Instagram. Maybe if you just accidentally uh, disable this, you can just allow them by tap on your followers on Instagram, and you can choose on message requests. So message requests from people who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder. Now you can also change on others on Instagram. You can choose on message requests. So message requests from other accounts on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder. It's so simple, right? So that is how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!